These helpless chicks' nest will soon slide down with the melting ice. The neighbor's nest has already fallen. The countdown has begun. A mini ice castle at 5,000 m in the Peruvian Andes shelters growing chicks. The white-winged Diuca finch is one of few birds using glaciers as shelter, hence they're called glacier finches. They literally hide eggs in a giant natural freezer. But glacier life has a big downside. Sun exposure melts their home. Parents have little time to feed their offspring. They must outpace the melt and feed chicks before nests fall. One chick left the nest, but the second hesitates. So they use an old method, hunger motivation. They cut food, forcing it to forage beyond the crumbling nest. In this case, it works better than any persuasion. These helpless chicks' nests